Hey guys, how you doing? It's about 9 o'clock, I think. I don't have my watch with me. I actually don't know where it is. I left it. There's a lot of things I don't exactly want, but I get anyway. And sometimes when those things happen, you sort of just have to take a deep breath and recognize that not all is peachy in the world. Not all is perfect. And do you want it to be perfect? Well, probably not. Because perfect is cold. It's too clinical. Of course, you don't want it so imperfect that it hurts, right? That it's unbearable. So you just want somewhere in the middle. And I think that's what's important when it comes to living your life. You don't want to be so 100% all the time. Because if you're always 100%, you're just going to burn out. That's what I believe. And sometimes you just have to just give enough to give enough so that the situation can be good enough in some cases. I think it's a horrible thing to be perfect, because perfection is it's a nebulous concept. But of course, we also don't want to be broken. So between perfect and broken, I think I'd be pretty happy with that. But I also know that there's a lot of good people out there, a lot of kind-hearted people, and I received a lot of kindness out there, and I hope I'm able to do that for others as well. As much as possible, I want to treat situations as kindly as possible. And sometimes I fail, but I think most of the times I succeed. I'm not perfect. I'm good enough.